welcome back to our channel. The bricklayer is back. Today I've had the notion, I checked my paint stash in the shed and I was like, right, I'm going to do it. I want to make a wall feature in the garden but with a faux brick. Similar, same idea to, remember I did the brick floor in my greenhouse. Even as I'm saying it, I'm like, girl, this might not work out. Also, ignore Wurzel Gummidge today. I got caught in the rain last night and I didn't wash my hair, so we're a bit frizzy today. We're gonna brick a wall. This idea came from an episode of Gardener's World and I have seen these little displays on Pinterest. This chap had built, now I don't know what episode it was, it was this season and it was around about March time. And he had built these little displays in his garden and they were made from brick and they had little windows. But they were actually, he physically built them out of like reclaimed brick and he had plants around them and it was great for making like zones in his garden. As you know, I have some white walls out the back, no harm in them, but I wanted to make a feature in the wall, enchanted, cottagey vibe, little bit maybe Alice in Wonderland. So the flower bed that has currently some tiny dahlias, I need to do this now before the dahlias go, I'm gonna do it there. So I don't know if I'll do like a oval, curved, I don't know my geometry, you know what I mean. Yeah, so I don't know if I'll do, I want it to look like a little brick wall. And then I got this mirror that is a window mirror. I got it in the range and I want to stick that on top of the, you know, brick wall so it looks like this window. I'm hoping it's going to look like something. It might not look like nothing though. The great thing is it's not costing me anything, it just cost me the price of my mirror. It's metal so I can use it outside. And I had some of the brick paint from the floor that I did last year. I'm also really happy with how my brick floor in the greenhouse has lasted. You would have seen that I power washed the bits that was outside, and so I'm happy with how that's, you know, lasting and the paint. So it's not costing me anything except my mirror, and I need to go and get a sponge because this is a teeny tiny part of the sponge I used last year. So yeah, I just cut a sponge into a brick and I bricked the wall. I might have to do a lot of stretching for this one, but let's get into it. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that lovely bird singing in the background. This is the wall I want to do. Now, I currently have dahlias. I don't know if you can see amongst the spring onions, there is dahlias starting to pop up. So I need to do this before they start to grow. But my plan is to do like a brick wall feature around this and put my mirror in the middle, and then eventually I'm just waiting on the tulips to go a bit yellow in this flower bed so I can cut them. There is some alliums and stuff, but I would like to do another feature there, but that'll have to be later in summer when that bed, although I could probably shimmy around it, but that's my plan. So this section of the wall is my plan. Oh, Miss Blondie, how are you? Also, I have a mighty fine potato harvest. The potatoes haven't flowered yet, but amazing foliage. There has been some lovely rain followed by sun, so they seem to be loving that. So yes, let's start doing our brickwork, Blondie. Also, this is my mirror. Sorry if my sound isn't working. So this is the mirror that is like a window mirror. It's slightly on the grey side. I would like it to be a bit more cream, but I can always maybe dry brush it. So this is the window mirror and it's metal. And yeah, it can be used for outdoor. And then on the back, there's no wood in it. It's just like this, like a, what would we call that material? Like a, is it plasticky? But yeah, it's made from metal. So hopefully it'll be okay in the rain. We can always take it in winter.
the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I don't know what I'd do without you. You make me smile, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. You set my world on fire. I just want you, I just need you. I don't know what it is you do. I just want you, I just need you.
I am all sweaty and filthy. Time for the apron to come off. So I feel like that's phase one, because as I was doing it, I was like, so I would like to do the second bit of the wall and have the same mirror repeated and have it like symmetrical-ish. And then I was like, what if I got like an old salvaged bashed up door, kind of like French cottagey vibe, maybe from like a salvage yard or something. I'll keep my eye out. And then if I had like a faux door, because I remember seeing that somewhere, I think it was in a garden centre, and it was a brick wall and a door, and I was like, where does that lead to? And it was just a dummy, because it might, I don't know, might look cool. I'll keep an eye out anyway on the second-hand sites and the salvage places. I'll just see if I come across one. The bricks aren't perfectly straight because it was much easier to brick a floor than it was to brick a wall, but I don't mind. I think it makes it like an old kind of wall. What I might do is go in with a brush and maybe just rough up some of the edges, because the bricks are kind of like not perfect, but they're nice and fresh paint, whereas I might go in with some like contouring, maybe stipple a bit of white on. Do you know the way old bricks can get that like white patina? My back is broke though, no more bricking for today. That in fairness only took me 3 hours. 2 bricks their wall in 3 hours. Like, do I not have better things to be doing with my time? Anyway, it's time for a cup of tea in the garden, and I cut the grass actually as well, so just to film the last clips I was like, I'll cut the grass. But that's what I got up to with my feature wall. I feel like this is the beginning, and I love how it just breaks up the white wall. Also, you remember I planted camellias beside where the brick wall is, so hopefully in like a year or 2 years time, them camellias, if they don't die, and they will be like growing up more. And also the bedded dahlias, so come back in like July and August, because hopefully that mirror will be framed with dahlias. So I didn't want to put the mirror up like too high, I didn't want to put it down like too low. I wanted it to look like it's a window in a house. Yeah, I don't know what has been going on in my head, but the goal is enchanted cottage garden. So that's me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you all in the next video.